How to change theme settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to switch themes and customize the look of your desktop. First, right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select Personalize from the menu. From there, click on Themes on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a selection of themes already available on your device, together. After that, if you want more themes, scroll down and click Browse Themes to open the Microsoft Store, where you can download additional free themes directly. From here, once a new theme is downloaded, it will appear in your themes list and you can apply it with a single click. At this point, if you want to customize individual elements of a theme rather than using it as is, head back to the main personalization page. From there, click on Background to change just the wallpaper. Click on Colors to adjust the accent color used across Windows and the taskbar, or click on Sounds to swap out the notification and system sounds independently. Finally, if you've made changes across multiple settings and want to save them as your own custom theme, scroll back up to the Themes page, click the three dots next to your current theme, and select Save Theme to keep everything together under one name. That's how you change theme settings in Windows 11. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch every upload. See you then!